Hey guys, Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Welcome to Tour de Fleece Day 10. So I'm excited to have reached almost the halfway point of this tour. It's really exciting. I'm not very happy with how little I've gotten done in the way of spinning and yardage, but it's okay. It's fine. We'll just keep trucking. I'm not pressuring myself this year, and I'm not trying to push really hard to get everything spun. That being said, I do want to spin today at some point, but I have a pair of shorts that I really want to wear, so I need to finish knitting them. I just divided the legs, so I'm hoping to get one leg done today. Other than that, the other big task I have, which will probably take 30 seconds, is to glue my bobbin together. This is the Spinny Cube bobbin for the art wheel, and it fell off the bed, loaded down with my last plying job. And when it did, it got loose. And this end did not pop off at the time, but it did get loose. It stayed on long enough to take the yarn off the bobbin, thankfully, because that would have been a big mess. Done that before. So I'm just going to super glue this back. I can't find my glue at the moment. I know where it is, but it's just, I can't find it without moving a bunch of stuff. Anyway, I use Gorilla Glue, the kind that's in a pin. So you just push the button and it comes out. I will glue it together, reassemble, put the glue on, reassemble it, set it on a hard surface and put a heavy book on top and let it dry for about an hour before I put it away. And then it'll be good as new. That's how simple it is to fix these bobbins. Now, I don't have their new bobbins, which have the ball bearings. Their new bobbins have ball bearings on both ends. So I need to get some new bobbins. They're really, really quiet and they spin so much better. But this works. They function. They do what I need them to do. So I can't be too upset. Anyways, so a little spinning, fixing a bobbin, and knitting on shorts. That is the name of the game today. And whatever else happens is whatever else happens.